All right, Improvisation Center is back again behind the Scion and a new piece of glass, as you can see. Last time we visited this car, we were making a bootleg sunroof out of sheet metal because of the other one being destroyed by a rock. And we rolled with this for a while waiting for the dump truck's insurance to come through and at least give us something to cover the replacement cost of this glass. And for all intents and purposes, even though they gave us less than what it would have cost for a shop to do it, it was actually enough for us to go and find a replacement glass on eBay, used of course, which we have here. And because we're doing this work ourselves, it pretty much balanced out versus us buying a glass or somebody buying a glass and still having to put the whole thing in, because, well, insurance is going to try to fuck you some kind of way or another. So that's neither here or there. But main thing is, we got to take our old bootleg sunroof off, which it still works. Lucky thing, because the screws that we need to get to are hidden. That's the whole reason why I engineered this little bootleg sunroof to still work. So go ahead and get this shit off, get this glass on, get it tightened down, make sure all the stuff works good, and wrap it up. Pretty quick, simple. Let's get to it. It's about where we need it to be. You see our 3 bolts right there, same as on that side, right under me, or over me, I mean. Get this shit off. Star bits. Great. Okay, we got all 6 bolts off. Ready to pull this whole works off here. Get it out of the way. One might ask, why not take the thing off and reuse the frame? Well, luckily I was able to find a glass with the frame already on there, so we didn't have to do all that. Besides, I kind of want to keep this little panel just in case this happens again. I could actually have my ready-made replacement panel, temporary panel, to put right back on instead of having to do the same thing all over again if we lose this glass again. So I'm gonna get this out of the way and go ahead and lay our new glass down. Just gotta line it up. these hard bolts first. Should have had T-handles, but we can make do with this. Got the thing mounted down. Let's do a quick test, see if this thing closes. I'll just bump it. Okay. Looks like everything is down. Let's open her up. Alright, we got some sunroof action here. Alright, let's close her back up again. Like, we got some sunroof action. Let's take a look at the outside. Well, everything looks like it's lining up like it's supposed to. Pretty straight. Got our front glass down like it's supposed to be. Maybe we can consider this bitch done. Just get this chalky shit off, and we are done with this. I need to get some acetone for this shit. This stuff ain't coming off right away. Yeah, fuck it. Get the acetone. Good old nail polish remover. Get a lot of shit off. Because nail polish remover is 100% acetone. In a pinch, it also makes a good starting fluid too. And that is that. Now that we're done, we can conclude this short little video. As usual, hit that like button, subscribe if you didn't already do that, check us out some more, share us, listen to chickens crow, share us, leave a good positive comment. Negatives will be ignored and blocked. But yep, we will be back again with another video, probably on the FMT over there, because waiting for one more thing of parts to come in, and we'll be able to get started on that one once again and conclude everything, hopefully crank that truck up. So till the next time, I'll catch you later.